this is literally Bob's first day of this, okay? So I have no idea how this is going to go, but I feel totally safe with you doing it, okay? What I want you to do to begin with, we're going to hold the very end of this, and I want you just to practice riding him around it to begin with, kind of like you're circling an obstacle,
Yes, sir.
but obviously not so close that he can step over it.
Right.
Step one is just getting comfortable with it moving while you're getting a little control around his feet, right? Or around the object.
Yes.
Then we'll actually start kind of practice having him kind of angled in towards it, and we'll sort of pull it and just turn it a little bit.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to baby step our way into getting him to pull it around.
Right.
It's always easier initially to get the horses dragging it where that rope is on the inside like this because it's not on their hip.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right.
If you turn them back the other direction, now it's going to drag against their hip when you go that way, and
Yes,
you're
sir.
more likely to scare them away.
Right.
You know, one of the things about the log, and one of the reasons why it is a challenge for the horses, it's because it's kind of the opposite of our normal philosophy of turn them into it.
Yes.
You know, the scary objects behind them, it is chasing them away. That's
Right.
why it really is a test for them.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, I'll go ahead and hand you this.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of the way.
Okay.
A couple 100 yards at the safe distance.
Yes.
Okay? Go ahead and ride him around it. Just shorten up your left rein, or your right rein rather, in your hand. That way you can kind of angle him even though you've only got one hand on the reins.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Good. Let's go ahead and trot him around.
Okay.
Crowd's getting restless. There we go. Good. So if he's good here, the next thing would be kind of move it up and down, like kind of just flap that rope as you ride him around. Let him kind of get used to it moving, making a noise. Here in a minute, we'll stop him and turn it into it.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll kind of flip that rope over his neck.
Okay.
And that way we'll go the other way.
Yes, sir.
Move it up and down a little bit more, be a little more exaggerate now. Preparing there for what's coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stop him. Kind of turn him back into it, and you're going to flip that rope up and over his head. So before I ever drag it, I like to do a little bit of this just to kind of test how worried is the horse about just even seeing this thing on the side of his body.